All right, welcome to the Explainer. Today, we're going to dig into a user's experience with this really interesting tool called Seedr. Apparently, it completely changed how they manage files online, so let's see what all the fuss is about. So let's start with a situation I'm pretty sure we've all been in. You're out, you're away from your main computer, and you desperately need to download a huge file. Like a big video or a software installer, and all you've got is your phone. You just get that sinking feeling, right? Watching that little progress bar crawling along, just eating up your data, and you're just praying it doesn't fail halfway through. It's the worst. Well, that's exactly the spot our user found themselves in. They were staring down a massive 4 GB download on their phone. I mean, your first thought is, no way is this going to work. But as you can see, what seemed like an impossible task actually turned out to be, well, surprisingly simple.
So what is this magic tool, right? Let's get into it. Let's see how Seedr takes that super stressful situation and just makes it a non-issue.
Okay, so the core concept here is actually genius in its simplicity. Instead of downloading a file directly to your device, you just give the link to Seedr. That's it. They do the downloading for you on their own high-speed servers, and they stick the file in your private cloud storage. And once it's there, you can access it, stream it, whatever you want, instantly. And here's the real game changer. It's all about who's doing the work. Seedr does all the heavy lifting. That giant download is happening on their computers, not yours. So think about what that means. Your internet connection isn't being choked, your phone's battery isn't getting destroyed, and your device can just keep doing what you're doing, not get bogged down by some massive download. And all of this really boils down to 3 big wins that the user kept coming back to. It's simple, it's fast, and maybe the most important part, it's secure. Yeah, this chart really lays it all out, doesn't it? Over on one side, you've got the old way. Total chaos, right? Messy download folders, the anxiety of your Wi-Fi dropping and ruining everything. Ugh. But then you look at the Seedr way. Clean, simple, and totally reliable. And why? Because all the hard work is happening somewhere else, safely in the cloud. But listen, this is a really crucial point. It's not just about convenience. Seedr basically acts like your digital bodyguard. Because it's the one grabbing the file, it creates this buffer between your computer and wherever that file is coming from. And with top-notch encryption and even virus scanning, you can just relax. You know you're not accidentally downloading something nasty. But wait, there's more. As our user found out pretty fast, just grabbing the files is only step 1. The real power comes from what you can do with them once they're sitting in your Seedr cloud. It's like it becomes your own personal media library. You can stream videos and music right away, no waiting for a download to finish. You can pull up documents right in your browser without needing any special software. You can even cast your media straight to your big screen TV. It's all just there, ready to go, and it works seamlessly on all your devices. And for all you tech experts out there, don't worry, they didn't forget you. This thing gets pretty powerful. You can actually mount your Seedr storage as a network drive, so it shows up on your computer just like a local folder. You can even use their API, which is just a way for ops to talk to each other to automate your workflows. It's a tool that really grows with your needs. With all these features, from the super simple to the really advanced, you gotta wonder, who is this actually for? Is this some niche tool for techies, or can pretty much anyone use it? And the answer from our user was pretty clear. It's for, well, just about everyone. Are you a casual user who just wants to avoid a difficult download? It's for you. A media lover who wants to stream HD content instantly? It's for you too. It's for anyone who values secure cloud storage. And yep, it's also for the power user looking for deep integration. So after putting it through its paces, from that initial 4 GB challenge all the way to exploring its deeper features, we finally get to the user's final verdict. And the verdict boils down to those 3 key qualities. It's reliable, it's safe, and it's easy. This is just a strong, clear recommendation for anyone looking to simplify their digital life and just take the stress out of managing files online. And that leaves us with a final, kind of bigger idea to think about. Do tools like this change how we even think about files? Maybe the whole idea of a file being on your computer is getting a little outdated. Perhaps the future isn't about where our data is, but simply that it's there, universally and instantly accessible, from anywhere at any time. It's a fascinating shift in thinking.